Is cooking in a wood-fired pizza oven actually worth it? In my opinion, no. And this is coming from a guy that's owned a wood-fired pizza restaurant, which I love the idea of cooking with wood. And there's a lot of opportunities to do that. What you're trying to achieve is a high temperature. And when you're tasting those char bubbles and you think you're tasting wood fire, what you're tasting really is that high temperature cook, right? And I think there's a lot of oven manufacturers out there that are adding wood fire as an option for these home pizza ovens. And what a lot of people don't think about is using that fuel or using wood as a fuel source. You actually have to clean up all that ash. So there is a lot of drawbacks into adding that in, where clean burning propane or natural gas is so much more practical. And with gas burning, pizza ovens, especially ours, there is zero cleanup. We actually suggest to use a screen, so you have no ash, no flour that has residual, cleanups at all.